If you've been struggling with your internet connection like I have, then this might be something that could be good for you. So we live out in the country and we're always having issues with our internet, probably because we have to keep the router so far away and it's not quite powerful enough to keep it up. One day my brother was over and he saw me complaining about the internet. He's like, dude, you got to check out this Flint 3E. This is what he has at his place because he also lives in the country. And one of the cool thing about this is that you're able to go up to like 2,500 square feet. So our router's a lot further away and it's going to be so much smoother. I went to his place and I checked it out, and after that I'm like, I was hooked. I got to have this. Internet's become something that we use every single day for pretty much everything. I use it for work, for entertainment, for uploading YouTube videos, etc. And you want to have a nice router. Oh, get it out of there. So this comes with, let's show you what it comes with here. Open it. Comes with a really nicely sealed box. And it's got a couple extra antennas right here. That's why it works for such long range. Open it up here. So it's nice, high quality. It's got 4 different antennas. It's also like with a built-in VPN. It's good for gaming, high-speed internet. And the other thing that's really cool too is we put our router further away, and then we like to just plug stuff right into the Ethernet. So there's 4 different Ethernet ports here, where the one we have now, there's only 1, which is nice. So if we don't want to use the Wi-Fi, which this is going to have some banging Wi-Fi, but we're used to not using the Wi-Fi, so we have a lot of Ethernet ports around the house so we can plug in our laptop or the computer, whereas most only have 1. And it comes with power and an Ethernet cord. Yeah, so you got the Ethernet cord, power, and this. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to install, just like any other router. Put it in, plug in the main actual internet right here, and you're good to go. So if you're struggling with internet like I've been, then I definitely check this out. It's going to make things so much nicer, and you're going to be able to actually use your computer again.